Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today's Leetcode daily challenge is maximum number of coins you can get. This is a medium level question. Now let's move on to the question. So they have told that we have been given 3 n piles of coins. Means if we have coins as an array or a piles as an array, so the number length of the piles will be multiple of 3. 3 multiple, right? So what we have to do is, we have been told that we have to choose 3 piles of coins. Means we have to choose, if we have been given 1 2 3 4 as a 4 5 and 6, then we have to form group such that it will be combination of 3, right? So it will be kind of like this. We have to form 3 piles. Now they have told that we have Alice. She will be picking the maximum number of coins. Means she will pick the coin with the maximum value, right? Now we have been told that we can pick the next pile with the maximum number of coins. Like if we have 1 2 3 here, so if Alice picks 3, so we can pick 2. Now Bob will pick the last pile. Means Bob will be picking the least one. After that, they have told that we have to repeat until there are no more piles left, which means that we have to continue iterating on the array till no more combinations are left or no more number of coins are left. Now what they have told, that we have to return the maximum number of coins that you can have. Means if I am using the pile next to Alice, which is less, but I have to get the maximum value which I can get, right? So what I can do here is, if we have this as the array 2 4 1 2 7 8, so first we what we can do is, we will sort the array. Then what we will get, 1 2 2 4 7 8, right? So how can we form the groups? We can form it like this also, right? 1 2 2 and 4 7 8, right? So what we can get here, if it is if it is 2 and it is 7, but here we have two number of twos, right? So we Alice and I cannot have the same number of coins, so we have to interchange. So one combination formed will be 1 2 4, the other one will be 2 7 8. So anyways, I will be getting the maximum number of coins as 2 plus 7, that is 9. So as we see that we have some continuous approach in this array, which means that we are following, just we are taking three combination, and it is in an increasing order. So the algorithm which we will be following here is greedy algorithm. Now let's see with some example how our code will be followed. So in the first one, if we took the array, so what we had the answer as 2 plus 7, which is 9. If we use this one, so 2 4 5, it is already sorted, right? Now in this, the max will be going to Alice, and next to max will be mine. So what I will be returning here as 4. Now if this is the length of the array, right, this the length of the array is 3. So what I am getting is, if this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index, so I am getting, if this is the length of the array and divide it by 3, I am getting the first index, right? I am returning the first index. In the same way, if we see this one, we have piles here as 9 8 7 6 5 1 2 3 4. Now if we see that after sorting it, we will get numbers from 1 to 9, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now if we take the length of this array, we have 9 as the length and we divide it by 3. So what we will be getting as 3. 0 1 2 3. So our first value, which will start from here, okay, 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now just to see the problem, how it will be solved, if we start from this index, that is the third index, right? If we keep on increasing the value by 2, so we will have here 6, and after that we will come across 8. So we will have the value, if we have the value as 4 plus 6 plus 8, we will get 18 as the answer. So we see that we have output here as 18. In the same way, we were, what we were doing here is, we had the length as 3 and we were doing 3 by 3. So since we have only one value here, so we were returning 4 as the answer, right? Now in the same way, in the first example, we had 1 2 2 4 7 9. So if we took length by 3, so what we had here, 6 by 3, right? On the second index we have 2, and after that if we increment the value by 2, we will have 7. So if we see that we are following the approach where we are starting the iteration by length by 3, and we are continuing till n, where we are incrementing or updating the value of I by 2, then we are getting the values as expected. So if we are having a for loop where I starts from length by 3 and continues till n, where the I value is incremented by 2 every time, so the value found on the I index will be as expected. So what we will do here is, if we are counting the value of coins, count coins. So what we will do here is, count coins is equals to piles of I. Now before this, what we were doing, we were sorting the piles array, right? So we will be sorting here. So piles dot sort. So this is the basic code snippet what we will be following. Let's move on to the code. So whatever doubts will be there, it will be clear with that. So in the code, let's see that what we are doing. The first step what we had done was sorting the piles array, right? So after that, now we have to count the number of coins. So we take a variable and initialize it with 0. Let's iterate on the piles array range. It was starting from length divided by 3, right? So what is the length here? If we are taking length as n, so we have to define n here as length of piles, and this will continue till n, and the value will get incremented by 2. Let's add it in. Coins plus is equals to piles of I, and we will return the coins here. Let's run the code. The sample test cases are passed. Let's submit it now. The code is accepted. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you understood the video and somehow it helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for further Leetcode daily challenges.